first, this national summit was just a dream, a vision born out of our desire to create space where ideas could flourish, where discoveries could inspire action, and where collaboration could shape a common agenda for national purpose. What began as a simple aspiration has now become a beautiful reality. Seeing this vision come to life reminds me of how powerful collaboration can be when it is fueled by shared purpose and a genuine desire to serve. At the university, that is our simple but steadfast goal to make sure that what we learn, discover, and create truly makes a difference in people's lives. Every project we begin and every partnership we build is driven by a genuine desire to innovate and serve. Because at the heart of NEUST is a shared belief that education should always move beyond classrooms, and it should open opportunities, touch lives, and build a better tomorrow for everyone.
But let me pause and say this. Technology is not just about speed or innovation. It's about inclusion. It's about using digital tools to make life easier for a mother paying bills online, for a student attending classes remotely, or for a farmer checking weather forecast before planting. Every program we launch in the DICT has a face, a Filipino face. That is what guides us every single day. What we are witnessing today is not just a conference. It's a convergence of minds and missions, a space where bright ideas meet bold actions. The summit is a perfect example of blending expertise and collaborating with the heart. Truly, walang iwanan.
Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang bawat isa. Go NEUST Global. God bless us all.